Redefining.
Another key concept of frame control is redefining, which involves changing the meaning of a word or concept in order to change the way it is perceived or experienced. In this section, we will explore what redefining is and how it can be used in marketing and copywriting. Redefining, which is related to reframing, is a powerful technique in NLP that involves changing the meaning of a word or concept to influence someone's perception or experience of it. By changing the way people think about something, you can change the way they feel about it, which can ultimately change their behavior. This is because our thoughts and feelings are deeply connected, and the way we interpret things shapes our experience of them. For example, let's say you are trying to sell a fitness program. You might use redefining to change the way people think about exercise. Instead of framing it as a chore or something that is difficult and unpleasant, you could redefine it as a fun and enjoyable activity that people can do with friends. By changing the way people think about exercise, you can make it more appealing and encourage people to take action. Redefining is a powerful tool for marketers and copywriters because it allows you to change the way people perceive your product or service. By using language that reframes the benefits of your product, you can create a more compelling and persuasive message that resonates with your target audience. Here are some reasons why you should use redefining in your marketing and copywriting. 1. To create a more positive association with your product. By redefining the benefits of your product in a more positive light, you can create a more appealing image in the minds of your target audience. This can help to build positive associations with your brand and make your product more desirable. 2. To overcome objections. If people have negative preconceptions or objections about your product or service, redefining can be an effective way to overcome them. By changing the way people think about the benefits of your product, you can address objections and create a more positive perception. 3. Increase motivation. By redefining the benefits of your product, you can make it more appealing and motivating for your target audience. This can encourage them to take action and make a purchase. 4. Stand out from the competition. By using redefining in your marketing and copywriting, you can differentiate your product from competitors and make it more unique and desirable.
Examples. These skincare products are not just about looking good, they're about feeling confident and radiant. Our cleaning products don't just clean, they bring a sense of freshness to your home. Our energy drink isn't just a boost, it's a game changer. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of luxury and style. Our furniture isn't just functional, it's a reflection of your personality and taste. Our clothing isn't just about fashion, it's about expressing yourself and feeling comfortable. Our software isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for your business. Our coffee isn't just a beverage, it's a moment of indulgence and relaxation. Our travel service isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about experiencing new cultures and creating memories. Our financial service isn't just about managing money, it's about securing your future. Our education program isn't just about learning, it's about unlocking your potential. Our entertainment service isn't just a way to pass the time, it's a source of joy and inspiration. These beauty products aren't just about enhancing your appearance, they're about boosting your confidence and self-esteem. Our pet products aren't just for your furry friend, they're for the happiness and companionship they bring to your life. This insurance isn't just a safety net, it's peace of mind. This home security system isn't just protection, it's a sense of safety and comfort. Our meal delivery service isn't just about convenience, it's about taking the stress out of meal planning and enjoying delicious food. Our online course isn't just a way to learn, it's an opportunity to grow and transform your life. Our workout program isn't just exercise, it's a journey to a stronger and healthier you. Our weight loss program isn't just about losing weight, it's about gaining confidence and living your best life. Our snack isn't just a quick fix, it's a delicious and satisfying treat. Our home decor isn't just functional, it's an expression of your personal style and taste. Our mobile app isn't just a tool, it's a solution to simplify your life. Our subscription service isn't just a recurring charge, it's a convenient and cost-effective way to get the products you love. Our coffee table book isn't just a decoration, it's a conversation starter and source of inspiration. Our virtual event isn't just a replacement for in-person events, it's an opportunity to connect and network with people from all over the world. Our video game isn't just entertainment, it's an immersive experience and source of excitement. Our home gym isn't just equipment, it's an investment in your health and well-being. Our outdoor gear isn't just gear, it's the tools you need to explore the great outdoors and make memories. This restaurant isn't just a place to eat, it's a culinary experience and opportunity to savor new flavors. This beauty service isn't just about physical appearance, it's about feeling beautiful inside and out. This meditation app isn't just a tool, it's a way to find calm and peace in a hectic world. Our meal replacement isn't just a diet tool, it's a way to nourish your body and feel energized. Our reusable bag isn't just environmentally friendly, it's a stylish and convenient way to carry your belongings. This audiobook isn't just a story, it's a journey of the mind and imagination. Our home fragrance isn't just about eliminating odors, it's about creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Our beauty subscription isn't just about trying new products, it's a way to discover your perfect beauty routine. Our athletic wear isn't just about fashion, it's high-performance gear that helps you achieve your fitness goals. This book club isn't just about reading, it's a community of people who share a love for literature and learning. Our pet food isn't just food, it's the nourishment that keeps your furry friend healthy and happy. These vitamins aren't just supplements, they're the building blocks for a healthier you.
A Skeleto.com course.